Is there a roadblock in your path right now? Remember, you always have options. A victim avoids the roadblock. A villain attacks the roadblock. A hero looks for an upgrade, a way to turn the roadblock into a milestone. What's your next move going to be? Well, I would suggest you start by learning yourself. What are you thinking and feeling right now? What are you doing? Are you protecting yourself? Attacking, blaming, or criticizing your mate? Then learn your mate. What is your mate thinking and feeling right now? What is your mate doing? Is your mate in self protect mode, attacking, blaming, or criticizing you? Finally, learn your marriage. Marriage is a journey. Roadblocks are inevitable. With the right map, you can turn them into milestones on your lifelong journey to a joyful marriage. A final word here for women. Remember this: a wise woman builds her house, but with her own hands the foolish one tears hers down. A word for men. Remember this: he who finds a wife finds what is good and receives favor from the Lord. In the image of God, he created them, male and female. Hope deferred makes the heart sick, but a longing fulfilled is a wellspring of life. Yes, your romantic journey matters. In this day and age, we need more couples who are committed to their journey to joy. Because traveling together, you have the power to change the world. In the Bible, the 4th chapter of Ecclesiastes says, "Two are better than one because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. Also, if two lie down together, they will keep warm. But how can one keep warm alone? Though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken."